Hey everybody, Nicola here from ArxangelRC, and right off the bat I would like to say Happy New Year and thank you to all of my subscribers. In 1 year you managed to get this channel from under 1,000 subscribers to just over 4,000 before the new year. I'm super grateful and thankful to all of you, and I just couldn't have done it without you. I know I do all the reviews, the videos, I put a lot of effort into everything I do, and I try to constantly improve my work. But end of the day, you are the ones that actually decide that my content is worth some attention and actually click on that subscribe button. Thank you very much. And just don't forget to keep clicking like, share, comment below the videos, because that helps a lot. Really, thank you to all of you. And a big thank you to all the guys that actually use my affiliate links to purchase anything. Doesn't have to be the item linked, really. Just click on it, buy anything. Goes, you just have no idea how much that helps me in every way you can imagine, for this channel, for everything. Thank you guys. Really, when I started that YouTube channel, I really didn't have any plan or idea for it. It was just to complement my blog, and yet it has found a life of its own and actually has surpassed the blog. I'm thinking it would even do well without the blog, but I could never do without the blog, because you know, all of the actual in-depth information is in there, just so you don't have to suffer through 40-minute videos, and you have all of it, HD photos and all stuff that I can't really do and put in a video in the blog. So make sure you go and visit that if you need some additional information for most of the things I review. Now, going forward in 2018, a few of you have asked why I don't have a Patreon account. I do, but lack of time has prevented me from actually finalizing the registration or setup or whatever you do there. And I promise to do that, so anybody that wants to will be able to also show their support on Patreon. What I will also try to do is review more planes, more long-range stuff, and try to keep copters to a minimum, although you should understand they're something that flies, so it really, you know, just can't do without that. I find them interesting, if a little bit annoying at times, but I will try to keep that at a minimum, because I feel like most of the people subscribed to my channel are here for the planes, not the copters. So I'll do my best to keep those on the side a bit and do more planes, and we'll try to not only review like one item once, I will try to do follow-up videos with modifications, upgrades, whatever, fixes, if you will, because let's face it, as of yet, most of the things coming out of China do need some modifications to make them work properly some of the time. Some things are good, others just need their work done. Anyway, thank you again so much. You are what's keeping me here and doing what I do, and well, my love for this hobby, of course, and planes and all that stuff. But your support is what's showing me that what I'm doing actually matters to somebody and is helpful, and that really motivates me to keep going and to keep trying to improve the quality of my work and my reviews and whatever it is I'm doing, really, anything. So thank you, keep it up, I'm counting on you. Now yesterday, the first of this year, we actually did a proper start of the year at the flying field. I did quite a few flights. I had an amazing time. I had amazing flights. The Dart performed exceptionally well again, as did my Falcon Evolution 120 size race quad. Yeah, I know I promised I'm gonna keep the quads to the side, but come on, it's a damn good machine. and I absolutely love it, especially in that small size, so can't argue with the facts. You're gonna see some footage from that. Thank you again, all of you. You are what's keeping me here. Thank you. Keep up the good work, and I will see you later.